Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is another TS Tech Talks video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to view somebody's profile image on Instagram full. Now you notice on Instagram, when you scroll through anybody's profile, you will not be able to see their profile image fully, right? What it means is actually once you click on anybody's profile image, you get to see that particular image in half. It doesn't actually show fully. Now I'm going to show you guys how to view anybody's profile full on any device. This works on Android, this works on iPhone. I've done this on iPhone, even though I'm using Android to make this tutorial. This also works on iPhone also, so go ahead and try the same thing. Now the first thing you are going to have to memorize is actually the username of that particular account. Now let's say this particular account, let me memorize the name of this account. It's called MoWayMart, right? Now if I click on this profile, I will not be able to see the full image of this profile. Now in order to see the full image of this profile, this is what you have to do. Now go ahead and open any browser. I'm going to use Chrome for this video, and then click and open any new tab, and then on your new tab, on the web address area, go ahead and tap on instadp and then .com, then click go. Wait for it to load. Once it loads up, you notice on the top section it says search for username, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and search for that particular username. It's called MoWay. I think I forgot the name. MoWayMart. So it's like this, and then I'm going to hit go. So it's going to search for that particular username on Instagram and then display it for me. Now this is the account. So in order to view the profile image, all you need to do, you notice right here where it says full size, right? Go ahead and click on full size. Once you click on that, it's going to display the image full size for you on the bottom area. You notice it, that's the image. So if for some reason you want to make use of this particular image, all you need to do is to click on download to download that particular image and to view it furthermore on your device. Now let's go ahead and search for any other account also. I'm going to go ahead and scroll right down to any other random account that has a different image that looks like a picture. I'm going to search for this Alpha Cat also. So just like I did initially, do the same thing on your own end and it's going to give you the result. So it's actually Alpha Cat. So once you search for it, it should display the profile. Now that's the profile. So go ahead and click on full size right there, and it's going to display the full size of the image just below. There you go. So this is just how to view anybody's profile full image. This works on any profile just about. So I'm very sure you guys find this useful. If you find it useful, please like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. If for some reason you need more video, please leave it on the comment section, and hopefully I'm going to gratefully answer to that. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys on my next video. Peace.